Hi guys, my name is Sanjana and today I'm with Aishwarya. She is the HR intern.
Hi.
Aishwarya.
Hi.
So we thought it would be fun to ask her a few questions regarding her internship. So Aishwarya, what is one skill that you learned during your internship?
Okay, so I'll list out a couple of skills which I learned here when I initially started working here at IKF. So one thing I would say is, of course, employee relation. As me being the part of human resource department, that is something, the utmost important skill I believe that you have to learn. Right. Apart from that, I guess networking is one thing which I learned that how to network with people.
How has your experience at IKF shaped your career?
Okay, so I think I would 100% give credit to IKF for this, just to make my base very strong, because initially when I was here, I started from scratch. So I got to learn many things, like a lot of things, from IKF. The mentors I got, the seniors, I was under with, my managers. So of course they were very helpful, and that's what something, I really appreciate.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what is the one thing that you will carry forward with you even after your internship has ended?
I think the lesson or thing which I'll carry forward is probably being innovative in whatever you're doing. What sort of work you do. I think you should be very innovative in terms of what you do, just to reduce your own efforts.
True.
Yeah.
Also, since you were in the HR department, what made the IKF's work culture unique in your eyes?
Okay, so unique, I would say, of course, as I was also a part of that activity, I would say, which made me think that IKF is, of course, a unique company to work with, was the meditation part, of course. That was something which we start very, as soon as we log in. So I think, employees' peace and calm is something which is really important when you start working. So that was something which I really appreciate and which I find really very unique before you start working is, to meditate and to calm yourself down. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Aishwarya. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Likewise. Thank you.